I've had an issue with my TMJ for the last 5 years at least, and I went to multiple doctors for it because I had sustained an injury. Because of that, my jaw got locked and my jaw was moving towards one side. They gave me exercises to fix it, but it was not permanent. It did not help much, and I've been with that chronic pain for a while. So my mother, she brought me here to Physiozest, and Dr. Farheen, she immediately recognized my issue, and upon the first day of consultation, I started my treatment. Within 5 days of the treatment, I saw immediate results in pain and my jaw and tightness. It felt much better. And Dr. Subbiya, she helped me with multiple facial exercises to help my asymmetry, which was a result of the TMJ that remained untreated. Upon the first day of doing the exercises, I saw immediate results, and I've been doing it 3 times a day. Anyone with this issue, I would recommend you should come here to this clinic, because I never thought I would be able to fix my TMJ or the asymmetry, but I have become hopeful again because I've seen massive results, and I love all the doctors here. They're very friendly, it's very welcoming, and I have in fact loved coming here for the last 8 days. Thank you.